Hello and welcome back to our next video from this series on how to create your own online school on Teachable. We have previously talked about how to customize this online school, what other options you have in the menu, and now it's time to see how we can add new courses that we can publish and sell. So first things first, what you have to do is go ahead in the left side menu in the courses section. You can see that right now in this school, as an example, we have two courses which are added, and I am going to show you how you can add a new course. You will see that in the right top side of the dashboard, you have a button which says new course. You have to click on that button and a new window will open for you. It's like an editor for the new course. First of all, we have to set up the information of the course, and if you look downside, down the page, you will see that you have a floating bar here with all the steps for adding a new course, like add information, add curriculum, add a price, and then actually publishing the course. So let's just give it a name like test 2 for the course. We have to select one of the authors that we have added to our online school. Let's just select this one, or we can add a new author if you want to. You have seen how to do that. Then a subtitle, test subtitle 2. Then we have to add a description. We can also add HTML code if you want to. We have a lot of options here, as you can see, like links, alignment. We can add images, so we can add a lot of things. But I think the HTML code is the most important because in HTML we can add all sorts of things like embedded codes from YouTube and stuff like that, right? So this can actually be very helpful. Make use of it. Then we just press the create course button and it will take us to the next step, to the curriculum. Basically the curriculum, it's made out of sections and lectures, right? So we have the first section and we just give it section 1, the name. And then we can start to add new lectures. And as you can see here, we can add video, audio, PDF or other type of files, but we can also add text. We can also add quizzes if we want to. And we can also give our students the possibility to add comments to these lectures. So new lecture 1, let me just choose a file as an example for you guys. Choose file. Let's say that I want to add this one. We just upload it. We wait for a couple of seconds, up to, I know it depends on the size of the file, obviously. But after the upload is completed, you will see that you have here a video file, right? It appeared here. Now we can also add the text here. Let's change new lecture 1. We can add a text here. We just have to save it. We can add a quiz if we want to. We can preview the new lecture. Hello, and you can see that it has started. This is how a student will see it. And if we scroll down, we can also see the text because we can add text to it. Let me just close this one. And then we just hit the publish button and that's it. The new lecture will be published. Now if we go back, you can see that we have section 1, we have new lecture, and then we can just add a new section if you want a new section like section 2. And this is how it will look like, and we can start to add new lectures here. We can also make a lecture be free for preview. I mean, you can add especially some lectures so that students can preview them and know how your course looks like. This can actually help with sales. A lot of platforms are doing that, including Udemy. You can also make like a lecture to be downloadable. Let's say that you want to give a free resource to your students, like a PDF. You should make it downloadable for them so that they can access it at any time from their computer. So this is an option that you can do too. You just have to select these small icons from here. And another very cool feature that you have is, for example, if you have your course already organized somewhere, you can do like a bulk upload and upload all the lectures at once, right? From Google Drive or from your computer or somewhere like that. And basically it will organize them automatically. Obviously you will probably have to reorganize them a little, but It's very helpful because you don't have to create lectures one by one or add them one by one. You just add them in bulk and then repolish it a little and reorganize it a little, and it will be much faster. Okay, now we are done. Let's say that we are done with this curriculum part. We have added all our sections, all our lectures. It's time to move on and to add our pricing plan. Okay, and we have more options here. New pricing plan, we have free, we can give the course out for free. We have subscription, so we can basically charge people every single month. So if you have that type of course, you can do that. One-time purchase, you can offer people the option to buy for like one time, okay, the course. This is probably the most popular type of payment plan that all the platforms are using. And an actual payment plan, you are giving the people the option to, let's say, like pay a specific amount, not like all the amount at once, but in 2 or 3 different payments. Okay, so basically if you are selling like a high ticket course which is $2,000, maybe some people want to buy it but they cannot pay all the amount at once. It will be helpful for them like to pay you like, I don't know, like $700 per month, right? And in 3 months they pay all the course or something like that. Let's say that we want one-time purchase, $17. Add pricing, and this is it. Okay, now what we do is press on the publish, and it's pretty much set. Okay, we can see here we have like preview, the course curriculum, the sales page, the details. Okay, we can set up some SEO stuff to help us with the search engines, like the course, the URL, okay, the page title, the meta description, and then just before actually seeing everything, what it would be very helpful to add an image as a thumbnail. Okay, you see that we can scroll down. To add the background, we can leave it like this. A promotional video, that can be very helpful too. Post-purchase page. Basically, this is the page where a student is redirected after he buys the course, right? So it's the default thank you page or enrolled course curriculum. I would personally send them to a custom URL, but it's up to you. You can send them also to the enrolled course curriculum, so they already see the course and the lectures and everything. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so these are all the options that you have. Let's just check out the sales page. Now you don't have a lot of things to see on the sales page because you don't have a promotional video. The description is just as an example here, but you can see we have the button, the subtitles and everything, the instructor details, and then the class curriculum, frequently asked questions, and this is pretty much how it looks like. Okay, but anyway, in the polished version you have seen how it looks like. It looks like very nice. Okay, now let me show you what other options you have here in the left side menu for the course. Okay, you can go again through the whole information that you have added for your course. So if you feel like it's something that you want to change, you just have to go in this menu here. You have it for all of the courses. You can also give coupons. If you have the premium version, you can see all of your students from a course. Let me go back. Okay, you can organize the content if you have the premium version to be drip feed. That means that a student that enrolls today will not be able to see all the content at once, but he will see like the first 3 lectures in the first week, then the next lectures, and so on. You can bundle content. You have access to reports, and very important, you can customize the checkout pages, the thank you pages. As you can see, you have the thank you page. You can basically customize it if you want to, like the heading, what to write. Okay, you can insert new blocks and everything like that. You can customize the checkout page. Maybe you want to add testimonials and stuff like that. Okay, so that people are like more convinced to buy. Okay, you can add like 14-day money back guarantee, badges, and all of this stuff, so that you can make your let's say offer more convincing and persuading for people, right? I think the bullet points are very important. Testimonials are also very important to add them if you have any. Then you can check out the page. Let's see how it looks now. Copy checkout page URL. Let's see it. Let's just check it here in the browser. So this is how it looks like at the moment. Okay, you can see that it's very simple, but you have the option to add all of these things, and this can actually help with your conversions. So I definitely recommend you to check them out. And you can edit the sales page, which is very important. Okay, you can edit like the course header, the overlay. Okay, you can customize the enroll button if you want to. You can add like a coupon banner, the course description. Again, you can customize it, and the other things you have seen them, right? The FAQ, let's see, course page closing letter. Okay, you can add something here, and the primary enrollment button. Okay, settings, you can basically have like a blank template and create everything in HTML. You have footer if you want to, color navigation bar. You see you have all of these options, which are pretty great. Now, something which is very important for you to know is the fact that you can insert new blocks all the time in your, basically what you see right now is your sales page made out of blocks. Okay, you can see that each of these things is a block actually. Let's say that we want to delete this block, okay, and we want to add something else here, another block. We just insert new block, and we have the option to add text to HTML, image, video, okay, or other type of blocks. And we have here a lot of types of blocks, like testimonials, for example, right? So this is like a testimonial. Save. Let me show you a preview of this so you can see that it has added testimonial. We can see it here, right? So this is pretty cool. This is how you edit your sales page. After everything is done, you just press save, preview, and it's done. So this is how you create your courses in Teachable, and how you add them to your own online school. Okay, in the next video I will show you that right now you have all of the courses in a single place in your own online school, so people will be able to also see the new test course. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video, which will also be the final one regarding how to create the online school and the online courses.